Hello guys and welcome back. It's Kevin here, and today we are going to see some news about the trending about the trending cryptocurrencies on the market right now. We see there are top three are here. We have Meta Rafi, which is abbreviated as MR, Near Protocol, and Shiba Inu. And before we enter into this video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, to my YouTube channel, so that you can get more and more news on the market. Now we can see that Shiba is one of the coins that have been trending today, with the 2% additional 2%. And but with the Shiba, there's one reason why the Shiba Inu has gone to over 20%, and we'll see in this website why Shiba has jumped. Has jumped the price to 20%. This is the market cap here. We can see that Shiba was, let it to load here. We can see that Shiba has jumped from this price to this, and we see that in 1 month. Let's just see in 1 month. So it is now going high. So we can see the market. The overview was here. The price was low as this point today at 4 p.m. and now it is now this much, and we can see the market of SHIB. It's now trending. You see, it's now trending from Binance, Coinbase, Get.io, Binance again, the KuCoin, and the pairs that are also trending with the spot, perpetual, and futures. So we can see that on perpetual KuCoin is Shiba and USDT. The combination or the pairs that are trending is the Shiba and USDT. Get.io the same, Huobi the same, OKX the same, Delta the same. This is the top 12 that are trending. But with the spot trading, we have all the top 100 for Shiba. We see Binance is leading here, and Coinbase, Get.io, the Binance again, the KuCoin again, the Binance again, the Huobi, the Binance. So what I mean is this: Shiba is now trending, and there is something that has made Shiba to trend that much. We can see here, we are told that Shiba and Solana so high as Robinhood expand its crypto offerings. So Robinhood has listed Solana and Shiba. You see, Robinhood has listed Solana and Shiba, and we saw that after 6 months of aggressive lobbying of its members, Robinhood has finally listed Shiba Inu cryptocurrency for trading, and crypto is soaring as a result. So the launch of a meme coin Thursday was part of larger expansion of trading app offerings. Solana, Polygon, and Compound are also listed in the site. So we see that Shiba, Solana, and other 4 coins that we've seen here has been listed on Robinhood. This is the first news from Fortune. The next news also says the same. Finally, Shiba is available on Robinhood, and we're seeing that Robinhood has announced additional of 4 cryptocurrency in the trading app on Tuesday, including Compound, Polygon, and Solana. So Compound, Polygon, and Solana has been listed in the Robinhood, in the Robinhood exchange. So that means that we see the market that is trending with the SHIB and Solana are soaring high. That is because they have been listed on Robinhood. The next news says the same. Robinhood adds Shiba Inu, Solana, Polygon, and Compound to its crypto offerings. Means that this morning, fintech trading platforms Robinhood added 4 crypto tokens, bring its total to 11. The new offerings are high-flying Ethereum competitor Solana, the dog-themed coin Shiba Inu, Ethereum scaling technology Polygon, and original decentralized finance token Compound. So it's Compound, Matic, Shiba Inu, and Solana has been listed on Robinhood. There's another next news here. It says the same. That is the breaking news. Shiba Inu is now listed on Robinhood. Should you buy it? And we are also told the key point is that the trading app Robinhood announced its official Twitter channel today that it was listing handful of cryptocurrency, including Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu token sold high as 31%. So Shiba today has gone high of 31% because it was listed on Robinhood within the first hour of the news, and has since settled back to 19.65 pump at time of writing, according to CoinMarketCap. The other 3 new listed cryptos include Solana, Polygon, which is Matic, and Compound. So the news here is just saying the same. So listing of Shiba Inu to Robinhood was now the trending, was actually the trending news of today. That's why Shiba Inu is now soaring high and high. It is a meme coin, but now it is now soaring high and high. So we can say that it's kind of a meme coin nowadays because now it's soaring high. So another news here, Shiba Inu jumps to 20% following Robinhood listing. We're told that the popular trading app Robinhood listed several cryptocurrency today. The meme coin, which is Shiba, is one of them, and buy orders have rushed in. So people are buying now the Shiba Inu coin because it has been listed on Robinhood. The meme coin Shiba Inu today jumped in price by 20%, a spike seemingly caused by Robinhood today by adding support for the asset. At the moment, SHIB is currently trading for 0.00002674 according to CoinMarketCap data, which is here. The CoinMarketCap data, SHIB is trending at that market price, and having cooled slightly, still up to 16% for the day. So it saw to 20%, but it's now into 16% because of just listing that has happened on Robinhood. Another thing is the CoinDesk. The big website here says Shiba Inu Solana tokens among 4 added to Robinhood. So we also see here that 4 popular cryptocurrencies, including the tokens of Shiba Inu, Solana, have been listed on trading platform Robinhood. The website shows. A blog post on Robinhood website later confirmed the offerings. Shiba Inu, Solana, Polygon, and Compound. And the last news here, we see that Shiba Inu price soars to 35% in one day as Robinhood list SHIB for trading. And we still see that but SHIB price risk another 50% decline as it continues to fluctuate inside bearish triangle pattern. And the Shiba Inu prices soared on April 12 upon its debut on Robinhood, a US-based commission-free trading platform. SHIB price climbed more than 35%, which also resulted to 0.0003 per in price, its highest level in almost 2 months before pairing some gains. Nonetheless, SHIB was still on track to log its best daily performance since February 6th. It rallied nearly 27%. So we see that the SHIB has made some moves because it has been listed on Robinhood. So those are the few news for today. Let's meet to the next day for some crypto news.